Hello mga Meowmies and mga Meowdies! I'll share with you one of our trips in Boracay. It's actually my first time na mag-join sa mga island tours and ito yung pinuntahan namin which is what they call the Magic Island. From what I know, ito lang yung island kung saan pwede ka mag-cliff diving. But correct me if I'm wrong, the entrance fee is only 300 pesos. After that, pwede mo na ma-experience yung islands such as snorkeling and diving of course. And as you can see, ang aming guide is very generous to share with us yung historical background ng island na to. Ina-explain din niya yung mga lalim ng bawat tatalunan mo kasi meron yan I think 5 or 6 na tatalunan. And as you can see, nagwa-vlog ako nang wala namang kakwenta-kwenta but I'm just showing you around kung ano itsura ng Magic Island, ano yung tatalunin mo kung gaano siya kataas. And ito naman yung tour namin, nagsishare siya ng guidelines kung paano ang tamang pagtalon para iwas nga naman sa injuries. Eto na mga Meowmies at mga Meowdies. At yung isa nakakatakot kahit alam mo sobrang babaw lang niya. Pero wala ka ng way to go back dahil andiyan ka na. So all you need to do is to jump. Ayan, nagawa ko, di ba? Finally. At saka safe naman kasi may mga nakaabang sa'yo para gabayan ka and kunin ka kung sakaling nag-struggle ka na. Next naman yung partner ko, tumalon din siya. So sabi niya next time, gagawin niya naman daw yung iba pang mas matataas. Ayan, that's my second attempt and I decided to try yung pangatlo sa pinakamataas. So, ayan yung itsura niya. Medyo nakakatakot talaga siya but, kaya nasabi ko, no choice but to take that leap of faith. Kahit gustong-gusto mo na talaga mag-back out. Pero, ayun nga, naitawid naman natin ng very, very safe. Such a very good experience at Magic Island. After this, I enjoyed every moment swimming and diving. And talagang sobrang nagandahan ako sa Magic Island, not just for the cliff diving, but of course, yung corals, yung linaw ng tubig, yung ganda, at yung bait ng mga tao. Kung na-enjoy nyo to mga Meowies and mga Meowdies, kinakailangan nyo nang subukan pagpunta nyo ng Boracay. Thanks for watching and have a great and lovely day. Bye for now. Meow, 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 meow!